Hi everyone, what is the value of this mathematical expression? This math problem has gone viral and it has received millions of comments on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and other social media sites. In this video, I am going to present the correct answer. The problem is an expression of order of operations. It is commonly referred to as PEMDAS, or you can even say that it is BODMAS. PEMDAS or BODMAS. Six divided by 2 into 1 plus 2 equal 3 equal 6 divided by 2 equal 3 into 3 equal 9. To the correct answer of 9. So why problem caused so much controversy? Well, there's another answer from the historical perspective. Historical usage. So I actually found the documentation that the order of operation did have slightly different understanding in certain text in 1917. Left divided by something on the right, this was understood to mean that you want to divide the entire product on the left with the entire product on the right. That is a special rule. What's that special rule? So for example, L divided by R, X divided by 5Y equal X over 5Y. 6 divided by 2 into 1 plus 2, then 6 divided by 2 into 3 equal 6 divided by 2 into 3 equal 1. But so the correct answer is 9. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.